Halo-halo, or Filipino name for mixed or mix mix, is a popular Filipino cold dessert and is quite a best-selling refreshment during the summer season. It is an absolute must-try when visiting the country. Halo-halo recipe is a mixture of crushed ice, evaporated milk, and various ingredients like sweetened beans, nata de coco, pinipig rice, sweetened banana, macapuno or coconut sport, leche flan or caramel custard, sago, gulaman or seaweed gelatin, boiled root crops in cubes, fruit slices, and topped with a scoop of ice cream. One of our favorites is Chowking's Halo Halo. My parents, being senior citizens, are entitled for a 20% discount.